And so just as we had with the new moon in Sagittarius, Vada, as I mentioned then, is conjunct the galactic center, because that's at 27 of Sagittarius. And remember, the galactic center is where we have this massive outpouring of raw energy with which we then create our world. You know, this is creative energy for us. And at the same time, Vada is also conjunct Venus, planet of love, sacred feminine, and this new beginning. Not only for the next 3 months, I'd suggest, but I'd actually suggest another whole episode for humanity, as you're well aware from everything I've said. And Vada is a beautiful dwarf planet. She, in Tolkien's vast book of the creation myth, Silmarillion, she's known as the Queen of the Elves and the Kindler of the Light of the Stars. And she was said with her husband Manwe to be the birth of our cosmos, of our universe. She was said in the myth, the creation myth, to place the sun and moon and stars in the sky. She was a crucial element in the defeat of evil. She inspired her elves, her people, with light and hope when the Dark Lord had taken over Middle-earth, and she led the elves from danger into the light and into safety. So she's very much representative of the light. And just yesterday I had a wonderful conversation with Kelly Hunter, who was doing some very pioneering research into the dwarf planets, and she also mentioned that that Vada is, well, we had a conversation because I felt Vada was very linked to these new light codes coming in, because Vada, of course, here is also on the world axis. Vada has almost a 300-year orbit, so she isn't going to be conjunct this point very often, but she is right now at this Capricorn solstice. So I believe she's very linked to the new light codes coming in. And also I suggested to Kelly, who agreed, that she's connected to the elemental realms because she was queen of the elves. And I think this is going to rebirth our connection to the elemental realm, which of course we used to have in ancient times and we have forgotten, but we are beginning to remember. So she is again an incredibly positive, creative, powerful, a creator goddess of the universe. So she did it the first time, you know, she's now conjunct the galactic center for some months and being squared by Neptune.